Hi, Amy Herman here, and just wanted to do an instructional video. A question came up during our team meeting last night about how to insert links into emails, into broadcast messages, and even into blogs. So I'm going to cover in this video how to kind of hide your links in your email messages. Now you can do this in your back office for Key Marketing Network in your control panel home, and you can also do this in your emails, and I use Gmail as my email client, so I'm going to show you Gmail. Then in the second video I'll show you how to do links into your Empower Network blogs, and also how to insert videos into your Empower Network blogs. Okay, so for right now, I am logged into my control panel home of the Key Marketing Network. And on the left, you see various tabs, okay? And this is a tab I want you guys to get comfortable with. It's Send a Broadcast. So as you know, when people opt in and you get leads into your back office, those leads are stored under View Leads, and you can get all the information you need about that particular lead, their name, their email, and their phone if they provide it. Okay, you also should know that every time someone opts in, we have autoresponders built in to get you started, and autoresponders are emails that automatically go out on your behalf, and we have about 6 of them. So for 6 days, each lead will get an email from you. And what we were talking about yesterday is that not every lead is going to act the very first time they see your link. They're not the very first time they visit your website. So it takes some follow-up, which is why we've built and got you started with some autoresponder messages. It's been said that sometimes it takes 6 or 7 contacts for a lead to take action. We try to speed up that process to help you guys out to convert your leads into signups quicker by having you call them and following our scripts in our training site to get them to actually watch the video. And what our experience shows is about 1 out of 10 people who watch that video do sign up and do take an interest in action and get them going. So the other thing you guys should get into the habit of doing is either you could add to the autoresponders, okay, add your own messages in there, as well as send a broadcast to all your leads. So this tab, Send a Broadcast to all your leads, I'm pulling it up, it's just taking a little bit. Okay, what it does is you can send one email to however many leads you have in the system all at one time, okay, right from the system. So for example, if I had 500 leads, I'm going to write one email and to follow up, and that will go out to all 500 leads all at once, and it makes the process very simple. Okay, so here is where you put in your subject. I'm just going to make it up real quick. Thank you for applying. Okay, now what you can also do is personalize it using these codes right here at the bottom. Okay, so if I want the system to pick up their name, what I would do is use that code. So I'd say dear, I'm going to do it here, okay, dear, and then I use this squiggly name, comma. Okay, let me just make sure I did that right. Yep. Okay, so I'm just going to, let's say, thank you for your application. I'm just going to do this quick, okay, but just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. Please visit, can't spell this morning, please visit our website. Okay, now what you could do is sometimes people will want to just put in their link. Okay, so make it clickable. This would be my link, HTTP. So when they get the email, all they would have to do, this is going to show up in the email as a clickable link, and they can click on it. And that's fine to do. But the other thing you can do is just say, please visit our website. Okay? And you can underline website. You highlight website. Okay? And this little link here, next to where it says Word, this little link is where you insert the link. So I click on the little insert button. Okay, wait for it to pull up. And then I type my link in here. Now, that would bring them to my capture page if I did it to my GDI link. So I'm going to change that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send them to my landing page, okay? And I'll show you in a minute where you can find your links to your landing page. But I have them kind of listed on a little notepad. This is a little sloppy here, but I'm going to send them to my landing page. So here's the long link. Okay, I'm going to just copy it. And then I'm going to insert the link here. Okay? I'm going to open it in this, where it says target. I'm going to have it open in a new window. Then I click insert, and there you go. So when someone sees this, it's going to be highlighted, okay, and they'll be able to click on it and get to the website. And then I'll just sign it, Amy. I always put my phone number on the email. And then we're good to go. Okay, so that's how you insert a link using the Key Marketing Network system. Now, I can do the same thing in my Gmail client. And you may be able to do this in the other email clients out there, but I'm comfortable with Gmail because that's what I use. So let me show you that real quick. Okay, so let's say I'm just going to send an email to myself. Okay, but let's say I was just writing an individual email, to one of my leads. Thanks for your questions. Okay, I write up my email, and if I want them to visit my website or, complete your application process here. Okay, so what I do is I just highlight here. Okay, I go down to this, now you can't even see it. So I'm going to highlight here, complete your application process here. Okay, I highlight here, then I go to this little plus sign at the end, and then there's another little link. So I click on that link. It asks to what URL should this go. I'm going to paste the same URL that I just did, click OK, and there you have it. It's going to be a clickable hidden link, and I could even make it bold. Okay, and then I click off send, and we're done. Okay, so it's a really simple process. That's how you get your links hidden and make it nice and clean. Now, the one other thing I want to show you is this tab here are your capture pages, and we're on the Key Marketing Network control panel home. Okay, so I'm going to show you capture pages. Okay, these are the 5 different opt-in pages that you are sending your leads to when you publish your links in your ads. Okay, that's where they opt in. But when you are corresponding with a lead that has already opted in, you want them to get back to the video, but you don't want them to have to, resubmit their name and email. It's kind of a hassle. So, let's say I wanted them to opt back in and watch the Instant Rewards video. I'm going to click on that particular capture page that I am using. So this is the one that has the 4 steps, okay, and the video. at the top here, this is the direct link to that landing page. Okay, this will take them right here. So you just copy and then paste it into your hidden links or into your emails, and that's how you find your links. So I hope this was helpful in showing you where to find your links and how to hide them to make a nice clean copy in your emails and in the broadcast feature. Thanks a lot, and get in touch with me if you have any questions.